Inhlangano yabamatekisi iSantaco iphinde yazibophezela ekulweni nodlame olukhungethe imboni yamatekisi. Le nhlangano ithi kumele kubhekwane nezinto okuyizona ezijwayele ukususa izidubedube kule mboni yamatekisi.
There are regulatory failures from government that actually lead to violence in the taxi industry. But there's also criminal elements that have infiltrated, as it were, the minibus taxi industry. And then other than criminal elements, there's also an element of greed from legit minibus taxi operators.
Kanti-ke umengameli walenhlangano ngomlomo kaSomlomo uthe le mboni kumele ijwayele ukubamba izinkulumo ngxoxo ukuze kugwemeke ukungaboni ngasolinye.
Because we've always understood that peace is multifaceted. It's not only the absence of gunfire. Peace must live in how our drivers treat our commuters. It must live in how our leaders resolve disputes. It must live in how we train, regulate, and reward professionalism in the taxi industry.
Ukungahlolwa kwabantu abangena embonini yamatekisi ngenye yezinselele lomkhakha obhekene nazo.
When you join a taxi association, there is no vetting process that takes place. We don't ask, and then the person is accepted. And then when the person is already inside the association, then the true colors come up.
Abamatekisi bathi labo abangena kule mboni ngoba befuna ukuqhuba izenzo zobugebengu ezifana nokukhwabanisa imali benza ukuthi le mboni ingathuthuki.